Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A27 not charging. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and first what we want to do is we want to plug the cable. So let me go and get one. So here I have the cable. Now it is plugged in already. So what are we gonna do is I'm simply gonna just put this in. Of course, it's a USB-C and it is plugged in all the way, but it is not charging. So how do we fix this issue? First, let me quickly unpin the phone so we're not gonna be using it if it's like this. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and we want to check our port for any dirt, debris, and etc. So we want to make sure that our charging port is clean. Now the charging port, we all know it's at the bottom, and if I look through the light right here, it seems pretty okay. I feel like there's no dust at all. And what you guys want to do next is simply go over and try and update your software. So before updating our software, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So press the power button, volume up button. At the same time, we're going to tap on restart and restart. So we want to make sure that we update our software. It is very important that we do it. And now we're waiting. So I'll see you guys once the phone turns back on. After the restart, as I've mentioned twice already, we're going to do the software update. So we're waiting for our phone to turn everything on, and once it turns everything on, we're gonna open up the settings. Now in these settings, we need to scroll a bit down until we see software update. So we have it right here, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. So tap check for updates right at the bottom here, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version released. So my software is up to date. That means it's good, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It's very important, as I've also mentioned already. And now, if you updated your software, if you did everything that you were supposed to do, we're simply gonna try another cable. So we're gonna plug my phone in, and we finally get it to charge. So the restart, the software update, and the cable change, everything worked out great. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.